First, pour at least 1¼ glass of water to boil. Let it boil for at least 5 minutes. After the water boils, add at least 2 teaspoons of thyme and steep it for 10 to 12 minutes. After you steep the thyme, use a strainer to separate the dried leaves from the liquid. Squeeze half lemon to complement with the thyme's taste. Also an additional vitamin C for the body to boost immune system. If you cut a whole lemon into half, make sure you put the other half on a plastic and fridge to keep them fresh for 3 to 4 days. Add some 1 teaspoon of honey as a natural sweetener. Honey is a cough suppressant, but use it moderately because 1 teaspoon of it has 6 grams of sugar. I drink this every night after dinner, even though my colds are gone. If you have post-nasal drip, coughs and colds, drink this twice a day after your meal and you will be good after 5 to 7 days.